Welcome to FTG International, your trusted partner in education technology solutions. We understand the crucial role that laptops and Chromebooks play in today's dynamic learning environment. That's why we're proud to introduce our education services business. This service is dedicated to keeping your devices in top condition and ensuring uninterrupted learning experiences for students. Whether it's a cracked screen, a malfunctioning keyboard, or a software glitch, FTG Education Services is here to provide expert laptop and Chromebook repairs. Our team of skilled technicians is equipped with the latest tools and knowledge to diagnose and fix a wide range of issues efficiently and effectively. We know that a functioning device is essential for a seamless education journey, and we're committed to getting your equipment back in action quickly. But our commitment continues beyond there. FTG Education Services also offers comprehensive support for spare parts. We understand the importance of having access to quality components to keep your devices running smoothly. From screens and keyboards to batteries and chargers, we've got you covered. Our genuine spare parts ensure the longevity of your devices, giving you peace of mind and minimizing disruptions in the learning process. We believe that education should never be hindered by technical challenges. That's why we go above and beyond, providing you with a reliable partner in your education technology journey. Our dedication to excellence and customer satisfaction sets us apart as the go-to resource for all your laptop and Chromebook needs. You can count on FTG Education Services, where quality repairs and genuine spare parts provide you with the devices you need for the optimal learning experience. Contact us today and let us be your partner in shaping a seamless and efficient education technology environment. FTG International Education Services, empowering education through technology.